Heyo, good morning, everybody. Am I like a second late? I'm so sorry. I was a second late. Please forgive me. Okay, don't mind me. I'm about to just hop right into the charts because I see some potential chaos has been going on. Hey! Vujay with it. How's it going? How you doing? How have the charts been treating you? I'm gonna delete these, also can get a little bit complicated sometimes. See, we actually just messing around in that new weekly opening gap there, but that's fine. I wanted to see here, do we have, oh, we do have a little bit of a new daily opening gap. Let me mark it out, quick sticks. Okay. Here's this day's new daily opening gap. I don't actually know why I'm marking these. Oh, yeah, I'm sure they can be a point of interest, but are they technically one? I'm not actually sure. I'm just having a little fat chat with myself. I'm sure you guys are so used to that. Anyways. Now, let's see. We have Asia low right here. Awesome. Hey Thomas, what's up? How you doing?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How's the trading been going? You've been awfully quiet. I'm assuming, well, just to be fair, your trading always goes pretty damn well. Honestly. No, I'm joking. Okay, a lot of stuff there. Here's yesterday's New York low. Thomas, correct me if I'm wrong. Oh, nice. Correct me if I'm wrong, right? I have a bit of a question, if you will. You do this for like a living, and you plan on continuing to do this, right? Or do you ever want to do something else? Hey Swift, what's up? How are you? How was the rest of yesterday? I see I didn't quite hit that level. Have you been taken out or not yet? Here's your level. I still have it marked out. Are you still trailing this? Yeah, consistency. Awesome, so you don't plan on ever doing anything else, really? You want to just continue with this and carry on? Hey, Armsy, what's up? It's fun to short in cryptos. Graph? Nice. Armsy, hey yo. Again, to anyone that's just hopped in.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How's everyone doing? I hope you guys are having an amazing time so far. Okay. Marked up Asia low yesterday's New York low has been taken. There's Asia high. I know that I'm gonna get yelled at for calling this Asia high, but I'm calling it Asia high. Go. Okay. Now, let's zoom in slightly. Let's mark out the 3 a.m. open. Okay, there's 3 a.m. open. Just tapped into NWAG. We're going to retrace further up. Let's see. I'm quickly going to check the higher time frames. We have been struggling to break above that high. Oh, we're in a... Okay. Okay, I have a feeling the higher time frames are gonna kind of look like it's consolidating slightly, but let's see. Parent company with a bunch of sub-companies who specialize in a certain field. That's interesting. Also, Thomas, don't get me wrong, you are so young that you have so much time. Yeah, that felt so bad yesterday. I got stopped with trailing stock loss. I waited for New York today. I'm thinking we might be in accumulation for London though, so planning to stay away. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like that, but that being said, London has often done that where it looks like it's just gonna accumulate and then it just takes off and you sit there going, excuse me? When did you leave me behind? Hey Steven, what's up? Welcome back. How you doing? I didn't get notified. It's okay, David, you're forgiven. That makes you a good husband. Oh, good actual grief. Okay, so sorry, let me quickly check the higher time frames, but this does look like it's just... Yeah. Yeah. Pretty much this. I'm not even surprised. Ooh, it still hasn't taken out these wicks up at this level. Okay. Good morning. Anyways, I did start trading at 17, so I don't want to just keep growing and get to the point where I'm making stupid money. I mean, that would be nice. Thomas, that would be the goal, wouldn't it? Steven, I can't complain, I can't complain. Puyaria Fund, I'm so sorry, I feel like I butchered that. What's up? How's it going? Hey, Trade Delicious, what's up? How are you? How's it all been? True that. I'll plan along only after 15-minute inversion. I'm still a little hesitant about the shorts though. I'm agreeing with you. This kind of looks like manipulation to the sell side before it actually takes off in its true direction, if that makes sense. I'm lingoing it correctly. Great start to a Friday. Oh, it's Friday. It's Friday, people. Happy Friday. I 100% forgot that it's Friday right now. Sorry. You do, Steven? Really? Feels like I haven't banned someone in a while. That felt like... Okay, I'm glad that helped you feel good about yourself. Oh, yucky. I mean, this low-key on the bigger scale looks like it's kind of, wait a minute. I was gonna say this kind of looks like it's bull flagging. Again, I'm really bad at noticing bull and bear flags and things like that too. Yeah. Let's check. 1 hour. Geordie's not here. Is it bad that I kind of see like a trend line situation going on here? I don't actually trade trend lines, but I do believe that when it breaks the okay, let's rather call it a liquidity line, right? If it breaks it, it tends to hop off in that direction. Is there any good future firm with no consistency rule? I'm pretty sure majority of them have a consistency rule. I mean, I'm currently using top 1 futures and I mean, I have absolutely no complaints. But yeah, I'm pretty sure majority of them have consistency rules. Hey, Jabar, what's up? Soon it's going up. Ah, there we go. Okay, so Steven, you think it's going up. Ryan, I should trade gold. Why is that? Out of curiosity, why do you think I should trade gold? We can see even without... Exactly. It is. What's happening? I'm not on my charts, otherwise I'd give a prediction. Ooh. Okay, no. Thomas, you go sleep. Go sleep, young one. Damn, I sound like a very old person there, but it's okay. Ryan, there's always setups and high rewards. Well, I've heard... So we're having this discussion yesterday with regards to gold. So I'm not... Okay, wait, actually, let me focus for 2 minutes. I keep getting distracted. Guys, you keep distracting me. Much to mitigate there. It still has not tapped into this fair value gap. 766. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Let's have a looky. Damn, why are you yelling? Good grief. Okay, anyways. I get prediction. I predict more hands. Hey, yes, what's up? Oh, thank you. Hey, Demonte, I did hit 10k subs. What's up? How's it going? I be scalping and profit 500 to 2k. Oh, sorry. Okay, wait. Back to the gold topic. We're having this discussion yesterday with Curtis. Yes, it was Curtis. He said gold feels a bit like a cheat code recently because of you could basically buy any dip and it's almost guaranteed to go up and hit TB just because of just because of how hectic it's been, or it's just been going up and away. Anyways, moving on. Very nice. Good risk management. That's what I'm just looking for. Okay. That's valid. That's valid. Okay. Steven, I only trade the Nasdaq futures. I touched my glasses and they annoying the living daylights out of me. I want to quickly check this. Yeah, no, that instantly would have hit my stop loss. This is not promising so far. No, but that being said, we're only freaking 12 minutes in to London. There's still plenty to happen. Before y'all come at me, I am actually wearing my bikini. Okay, don't even come at me. Because it's hot as hell here and I went to the beach this morning. And I was like, I'm not gonna get dressed out of this because it's hot as hell. I can almost guarantee. Anyways, I can almost guarantee that I will be, that distracted me. Going back to the beach, there we go. After the stream, like I said, it's so hot here at the moment, it's ridiculous. Gold is heavy volume. I feel NQ is much calmer and decent. So that's... So this was the discussion I was having yesterday during the New York session. It was that I'm very used to NQ because obviously it's what I started with. It's just what I'm used to. And well, sweet and simply, to go onto gold feels foreign. Does that make sense? Like, I feel a little bit lost, even though looking at it, if I had to actually sit and analyze it properly, it's not that much different. I mean, it's more volatile, don't get me wrong, and the wicks were going crazy yesterday, but I feel like there's similar rules. It's just the volatility that's a bit different. Let me see it. Devontae, let you see what? And having a beach club. It is amazing, sort of. Literally, I take my dog. Here we go. This is what we were waiting for. I take my dog for a walk every single day. It is the best thing ever. Holy guacamole. Cool. Okay. One, two, three. This is quite a heavy drop. Where the heck did this come from? Hey, Boom Banana, what's up? Hey, NYM, what's up? How are you? That's all. My heart's always with. I look at gold and take paper trades. I love that. Oh, heart's always with NQ. Brian, you don't recommend paper trading. No, I agree with that. Paper trading is good for when you're trying to figure out your strategy. Oh, I'm conflicted because this actually looks like a really good trade. But no buts. Okay. No buts, I like that, that, and that. Let's check here. New daily opening gap. It didn't quite tap further down into there. Here would be a good point of interest, so this would be decent. Here's the bob level. Awesome. Okay. Awesome sauce. Use the correct amount of contracts. Maya, don't be daft. Okay. Correct amount of contracts used. Let me double check that. Yeah, okay, done. Boom banana. I went to beach. I did indeed. Yep. Oh shoot. Okay, well. It was my A+ setup. Regardless of what happens now, I'm leaving it alone. And that doesn't look promising, but I had my A+ setup, had my confluences, hands off. 5-1. I'm actually gonna make this. I'm gonna make this 4. I'm being a chop. That's not supposed to be a sell. Cancel. Thank you. It's supposed to be a buy. There we go. Okay, back to focused. Awesome. Second point of okay, it's already past that midpoint. So mitigate risk by half. Awesome. Yeah, mitigate risk by half. Cool. I'm trying to find. Wait, I have another runner, but you just pause for a minute. Here we go. Here. Or should I be cheeky? No, let's not be cheeky again. We're not here to be greedy. Okay. So here's what the trade looks like. Entry 2, 3. Oh, TT, what's up? Thank you. Oh, the fact that my order was wrong. Well, I was nearly yelled at. I yes. Be greedy because evil. You need a meme of Emperor Palpatine saying good my way on a trade spent 700. Interesting. What's that 700? I see the new daily opening gap. I mean, to be fair. Let's see, it's in a little bit of a spot there. Okay, sorry, I'm back. I'm focused. The duck, please. It's in a little bit of a supply zone here. That was so close. Come on. Might retrace slightly. There is a volume imbalance. You can see that little gap there. Never mind. I take it back. It did not. Okay. Oh my gosh. Do I just let this one run? Screw it. Cool. Bro, what's up? I'm from South Africa. There we go. Winning? Whoop whoop. What the hatedly day, man? I'm not even gonna lie with how... Okay, wait. I need a point of interest for this to get to. The new daily opening gap. Is that pushing it a little bit? To want it to maybe hit the new daily opening gap? That might be pushing it. Yes, please break even and let it run. Oh, wait, don't worry, I'm break even. I'm letting it run. Sorry, I see there's a little bit of a lag. I apologize. The 618 level is pretty decent. It tends to be drawn to the 618 level. As you can see, I have it marked out here permanently. It's called Tyson because someone called Tyson told me about it. That could maybe be a point of interest, but it could retail. Let's just do it. If it runs that far, that is insanity. I mean, how big would that trade be? I'll keep doing what I do where I just follow the swings. Let's see how big that is. Oh, it's like nearly 5. That's doable. That almost feels too little, but anyways. Hey guys, no, not done for the day. Let's see, I still have a runner. Thanks guys, yeah. Happy Friday, some guy. You tune in and there's a win on the table. I know. It was all about cons. Shush, OTT. Okay, I get it. When you're right, you're right. Okay, looking at this. I'm gonna move it to where stop loss would have potentially been for that. Okay. Like I said, I don't want to now go and ruin this by potentially adding more contracts to this, and it could now come back up higher. There's a few variables that come into play here. It did tap into the bob level and. So this could retrace higher and it might get me, but that being said, let's see if this does respect it. If it starts to really respect when I have my nice point of interest, I really could start to push this a little bit further. Okay, there it took me out. Damn, that was a quick trade. Oh! Oh, it's nice when that happens. Done and dusted. Anyway, some guy, what's up? How's it been going? Stick to the plan. No, you're right. I'm gonna stick to the plan. I also don't want to be greedy. The 618 level is a good level. I'm like I said, greed is the killer. Have your plan, stick to the plan. It's not worth being greedy over. Yeah, exactly. No! Sorry, that took me a minute. David.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
No, we are not greedy here. We are traders. If I was a gambler, then I'd be greedy, but we are not gamblers here. We are traders. There's a very big difference. We stick to our rules. We stick to our plan. I left my one runner and now I leave it alone. I have a nice point of interest down here. See, I was expecting some retracement. It is tapping into a fair value gap. Well, I'd have to double check also on the higher time frames what it looks like around this level. Oh, maybe I can actually quickly do that. But the 618 level tends to be a goodie. There's a bunch of sell side liquidity before a really big fair value gap and some more order blocks. So I'm gonna leave it alone. Leaving the runner alone, I also wanted to check 50 points. It's at okay, it's still going. 40. Like I said, I'll follow the swings if it's presented. Right now, just take full TP at your level, so your TP is consistent. I hear you, I hear you. It's also just nice, like I'm trying to, I don't want to say forward test, but in a way, it's kind of forward testing. Forward testing if my points of interest are correct, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? Other than not having any trades, I'm good. Just busy looking after my mom's dog for 2 weeks as well. Oh no. Why can't they be walked together? Hey Ethan, what's up? We'll see how psychology is funded. No, guys, don't put me under that pressure. That's mean. Let me just make sure Harry's not wanting to eat. I don't think so. He's not like aggressive barking. He's okay. It's okay. He's okay. I'm not liking Biddy P. Oh, sorry. I'm going back and looking up what some guy said. I'm not liking Biddy PA, so I haven't taken any trades since then. Minus 2 days, which was Monday. Oh, it was Monday. You're right. Okay. Well, this is gonna be fun. I can't have another runner because no, stop it. You like Kwon? What? Mac VD? What? What? OTT, why are you being mean about my psychology with regards to funded? That was not nice. Anyways, I appreciate that. Believe me, it's probably gonna be pretty similar to how it is right now. Maybe that's a weird thing or weird statement to make. Sorry, I'm actually just gonna put this there. There would be my full TP, right? Can I help you, Perry? Wanted to check here. Oh, it could retrace there. Let's see. Oh, cheers, Booty. Enjoy. Bye. Hello there. Hey, old mud crab, how's it going? Do it so close to him. Nah, it doesn't work that way, David. If you, don't want to mess with consistency rules. They don't love you if you do that. OTT, you think close? Why?
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Together and stuff is a kind of elf awfully, but he's not road savvy, so I'd have to no, I get it. That does make sense. Oh, thanks, Rib. Hi, I just started trading. Can you give some tips for beginners? What I should learn first? Hey Angel, what's up? How's it going? Well, first things first, find yourself a strategy that works for you and your personality. If you've done that, cool. I think No, I was gonna say the hardest part is done. No, that's a lie. The hardest part is what comes when you start trading. So once you have a strategy that makes sense to you and works for you and your personality, if you will. Sorry, I know that maybe sounds weird to say your personality, but bear with me. Oh, come on, it's so close. That was like a tick away. Come on, just that tiny, tiny bit. Okay, so it's sorry. Let's try that again. Number 1, find a strategy that works for you. Number 2, what did some guy say? Oh.
That's what she said.
Number 2 is that you then backtest it. You can paper trade it, so you get used to executions, get used to what the ideal market conditions look like for your strategy. Number 3, just in my opinion, I know some people don't love this, but I would say an eval account is number 3, because then you don't blow through all your capital. It gives you a little bit of a cushion, if you will. You don't just blow through all your capital, but you get experience, that feeling of trading in the real markets and real time. Sorry, I am focusing on this. Oh. Sure. You proud finally listened to me after months. Is this live? Yes, it is. What's up? No, come on, go back down. It's so close to taking my TP. I should have closed it. Mud crab?
That's what she said.
Good grief. We need friends like you. Yeah, exactly. And a partner. Good grief. Sorry. I got distracted. The third thing would be the eval account, so that you can trade live, get used to it, and when you're profitable with eval accounts, then funded is next. Sorry, that was me getting distracted as always. I'm so sure you guys are used to that. I've lost that method. Hey! Whoop whoop! Oh my goodness! Okay, that was so cool. Holy guacamole, guys. I left it to there. I want to see how it reacts to my potential point of interest now. We did it, guys! Oh my greatness. Okay. That nearly would have been a 5-hour trade. Oh, no, okay, it's going further down. Nice. What the heck, man? "30 minutes in." All right then. $700 to go. Hey, Angel, thank you. Mudcrab, I just made an appearance on my... You do? Oh, that took me a second. I was like, what are you talking about? Never mind. I forgot who I was talking to. Okay. 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 So, good point of interest. I see it's now going further down. That's interesting. I kind of thought it might retrace a little bit there, but that's fine. Like I said, don't be greedy. Leave it alone. This is... yeah. I'm a little bit speechless. But happy. Happy speechless. Okay, just wanted to update that on Discord. Anyway. Anyways, anyone else? Yeah, sorry. Thanks, guys. Okay. Anyone else get in on any trades? Don't get eager to give these gains back. Deep breath, reset. No, you're right. I'm gonna go hands off for a minute. I'll sit and focus and chat to you guys. If you guys have any questions, shoot. Like, you know, ask away. Yeah, I'm gonna go hands off for a second. I'm definitely not in any rush to give the gains back. Damn. But that being said, let's focus. Hey, Ogok, what's up? Mud crab, that's hilarious. Oh, sorry. And she had been over risking, so even though this time would have worked out, it's actually a bad plan. Yep, exactly. Hey, Eugene, what's up? Oh, I don't know what that is. What's that? Yeah, I just got a nice little 7-point whoop whoop. Hey, mud crab, whoop whoop, that's amazing. Where did you hop in? Where did you get into it? To make you jump in the pool to cool off. But you know what, some guy, of all the days, today would be a good day because I'm even in my bikini, so I'm just saying, go for it. But now you won't want to because I'm in my bikini, so you'd be like, no, that's not fun. Why would I do that? Okay, I'm wanting to see how it reacts here. Again, I am hands off for a little bit. Let's wait for continuation. There is a bunch of sell side liquidity, but it did just grab this NWOG. I mean, NWOG. The new daily opening gap. So, cool. Dave, come back to bed. Good grief. Oh, Mud Crab, you're trading gold. Nice! I've heard gold... Well, sorry, we're kind of having this little bit of a discussion earlier. I've heard gold has almost been like cheat code recently. You just buy at any dip and you're almost guaranteed to hit TP. Aw, Eugene, you're very sweet. Anyways, no financial advice, but if you buy altcoins on spot, I think it's very risky right now. Why is that? Some guy, out of curiosity. Hey, Vala, what's up? OTT, I don't know. David must be that's for Sandy Cheeks. Oh, is that her real name? I just know her as Sandy. Is her name Sandy Cheeks? What? I've never clocked that. Raw bang. 500k profit. Wow, whoop whoop, that is amazing. Damn, and people don't like trading on Fridays. Okay, no, to be fair, not last Friday, but the Friday before, which I'm pretending never happened, right? OTT, that Friday just is poofing out of existence. I think that was one of the worst trading days I have had in a very long time. Very, very long time, but it's okay. Yes, her real name is Sandy Cheeks. What? Oh, now I was telling. Oh. But I haven't even still made it easy 7 points. Yeah, see, there we go. OTT. Oh, damn. OTT is taking his teacher role very seriously. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing. It's a good thing. That being said, you might actually have a point. You know what? I'm gonna quickly check. Something. Let me quickly do this. Sorry if it lags. It's because I'm opening things up. Anyways, moving on. Her bikini. And my YouTube joined Bella. That's hilarious. Hey, Rip, what's up? How's it going? Oh my gosh. That is hilarious. Eddie, what's up? What's up? What's up? How are you? 500k profits, I call BS. Oh, damn! Demonte coming in hot. Gaurav, do you have any evidence? Because we got some haters. No, I'm joking. I hear you. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. Try not to panic. Sorry, I'm nearly... Wow. I don't think this has ever happened to me. I'm gonna have to post this on Discord. I've had a green week. But when I say a green week, not one single red day. That's why I'm like, I don't, this has like never happened to me. What? Okay, I'm so good. Okay. I know I'm letting the emotions get to me, which means I need to just chill out. I think it's just because, like I said, this has never happened to me before. Do you guys want to guess how much I'm up for the week? No glasses and bikini stream. Uh-oh. Oh, good grief. Eddie? It is 10:41 a.m. Yeah. It's 10:41 a.m. here. Oh, cheers, Riv. Bye. Samuel, what's up? How's it doing? How's it doing? What just happened? Is unlikely. I know maybe 5 people who are retail traders who make that much in a single trade. Interesting. Oh, good grief. Power of using the right cons. Listen here. Waiting for the green month here. I know. I mean, to be fair... Okay, we still have next week. We still have next week, so let me not be like, it's gonna be a green month. No. Like, a fully green month. Is that what you're saying, Riv? Then the green quarter. Ollie, your dad is getting a bit excited. Anyways. 1K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, close though. Also remember when I first tuned in back in October, you were down at about 48, 20-ish. Have I been on the same eval since you joined, some guy? Have you seen me blow an eval? I don't actually remember. Have I been on the same eval since you joined? Hey Mgu, what's up? Well, I'm back in another trade. Gold is looking very nice. I even left to run a down. Look at you go. If you keep only taking A+ setups and not half sizing or anything like that, this month will be a green month. No, not full. Oh, okay, okay, got it. Turtle nice, what's up? I'm up just shy of 1.5K. I know for some people that's like what they make in a day, but that does not normally happen to me. I will post this on my P&L in Discord, cause good grief. My weekly stats, there we go. Yeah, I've never, oh, there I kind of had one. I lie. No, I have, but I didn't trade for 2 of those days. This is me trading every day. Huh, okay, cool. Sorry, got distracted. We continue. I went on a little... Oh, goodness. Okay, wait, let's try this again. Sorry. Spam callers are really annoying. Okay, sorry. That little moment's done. Let's focus again. Christopher, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, I'm learning eval since I joined. Not that... Since I joined, you've been... What? Obviously not wrong. Gold has been a cheat code since I've been back from holiday. Beware of winners tilt. Brightest future? No, you're right. Believe me, you are correct. Believe me. I think I'm just happy. Don't get me wrong, I'm still very cautious of the fact that it could go... Nah, cautious is the wrong word. Aware. That's better. Losing happens all the time. Yeah. What's my win rate? 64%. It's unrealized. Not real money till they hit your bank account and you pay taxes. No, that's true, Rip. I know. This is all just eval. This is just eval talk right now. I'm aware it's not like real. I think it's just because, like I said, this is the best week I've had, I think, since I started trading. If I'm not mistaken. A green week or month doesn't have to mean you trade every day. No, I know. 800 on the Austin 660s. Yeah. Don't go for short at the moment. Why do you say that, Graf? Demonte, you say smash the buy button and smash the like button. This could be another good buy trade. I'm so happy. Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. I appreciate it. Can I see the 24-hour Johnny Wicks? You definitely can. Let's check out the daily. Ooh-wee. Oh wait, no, wait. There we go. I forgot to turn everything off. Everyone nearly hated me. Here we go. Do you want me to zoom in, zoom out? Let me know, Mudcrab. Just use the right cons. I'm never letting this go. You're not. OTT is taking his role as... How did that happen? Sorry. I think Barry scratched my leg and it was really sore, but I don't even remember him doing that. OTT holding on to the truth. I respect it. Hey, Nadir, what's up? How's it going? This week has been killing me. Monday, Wednesday. No, Nadia, I'm so sorry. Technically, you're up almost 1.7 because David Prop is amazing and you have him unconditionally. Yeah. Zoom into top here. Is this what you are wanting? I apologize. Did I just read that correctly? What? What is... Wait. Sorry, I've never heard that before. What is a top false fair value gap? Perry, where's the boss? You saw him. He did. He came in. Okay, come in. Some guy wants to say hi to you. Also, some guy, I request / require photos of Elf and your mom's dog because... Come on. Come. Oh, he lay down and now he's not interested. Get used to being on the green. Just take in consideration your psychology. No, Samuel. No, 100%. 100%. The psychology. There we go. Psychology is a big thing. Come on. Kip. We have a little snoot. No, come into the picture more. Kip. Oh my word. Can you say your strategy again? Mike the Good, I definitely can. Give me a second. Trading is like golf. Aim for the green. I like that. Can I just say it? Look how big this paw is. I don't know if you can see it. It's nearly the size of my hand. Okay, but let me go through it. As soon as I see what Mudcrab said. That's perfect. Thanks. I'm looking nice for a long buy. Okay, cool. I'm glad I could help. Full green with you. Thank you so much. Oh, Kabar.
That's what she said.
You're welcome. What's up? Okay, but yes. Give me a second. Okay. I've had my moment. The emotions have calmed down now. I had my little, look at me go. Now we continue. Oh, he's such a hand. He is the bestest. And when you're in the green, you ain't far from hitting. Mudcrab? Really? You're welcome, Mudcrab. Change my view of the dogs right now. Heck yeah. Okay, I'll look at it. Moving on. Okay. Goat, by the way, 2 things. Number 1, what's up? How's it going? Second thing, strategy. Okay. Let's run through strategy. It's almost stupid simple. Okay, it's almost stupid simple, but as long as you know the correct conditions for it and you know when to execute, then you're good to go, right? I need 3 confluence for it to be an A+ setup. I need to learn to only take my A+ setups. In this case, with this specific trade, I'll just mark it over and tell you the different confluences. So here was market open. Saw this nice push down. So the 3 things. Number 1, go from top of the range to bottom of the range. I do have a rule that if the 50% of the previous range has not been taken, and as you can see, the 50% of this and this was definitely taken, I then don't count it. What's up? You are the go. Can I now see the 4 hour? Yeah, my crab, I'll show you now, don't worry. Hey Lukey, babe as heck yeah. Yep, anyways. So, okay, with this one, number 1, the VWAP. Yes, the VWAP, oh, I thought I called it the wrong name. The VWAP was down here, so that was number 1. Number 2, I call this a shelf. I know it actually has a more proper term, whatever. So, number 1 was VWAP. VWAP was down here. If you go back, you'll see in the video, you'll see that VWAP was down here. Number 2 was my shelf. 3 was this imbalance. Okay, do you see this little volume imbalance over here? It's small, but they can sometimes make a difference. So that was 3. Then number 4 was the fair value gap. So this one actually had 4 confluences. So it was an A+ setup for me. I liked the momentum going to the sell side, so I took it. Yeah, that's all she wrote. Oh damn, now it goes further down. Cool. So out of curiosity, right, if we then go to the next range, we can see here it did not reach the 50%. Keep following down. Oh, that would have sucked. This also did not reach the 50% before running away. You know, sometimes it happens, and it is what it is. I was just curious about this. Give me a second. Oh, that also wouldn't have hit. That would have sucked. You know, sometimes it retraces to where you want it to, other times it just doesn't happen. It's part of trading. Sure, if I was following swings with my trailing stop, I would still be in this. But no, I'm glad I had my point of interest and I stuck with it and I left it, but it's good, it's good. Mud crab? Oh, mud crab 4 hour, sure, give me 2 seconds, let me close this, apologies. 4 hour, oh goodness, looks like so. Tapped in. I kind of expected this to retrace a little bit further up. Ooh, it's about to, oh damn, it's broken the liquidity line. I'm gonna call it liquidity line. It's broken the liquidity line. I'm not gonna call it a trend line because I get in trouble, but it's broken the liquidity line. So this actually could start dropping properly. Let's see. Let's see. But in the same breath, it still hasn't tapped into this fair value gap. I keep thinking it's wanting to come up to this 266 level. But this just kind of looks like it's going down to the center of the earth. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy, mad love. I'm so sorry. I see I've missed a bunch of messages. I do apologize. If you guys have any questions, please, or any question that you really want me to answer that I did not get a chance to see or answer, please just ask again. I'm gonna continue to just follow this down. Let's see. Okay, anyways. I do not trade in Forex crypto stocks. Sorry. I'm so beyond happy to see you killing on the chart. Wiggles. She's learning so fast. Oh, my crap, you're so sweet. Thank you. Hopefully there's at least one more good trade like this in the session, then one in New York. And you should pass evil. Yeah, let's see. Thanks, Holly's old man. 65k profit. Try to cut off. I'm so more. Usually I research 1 RR. Now I notice perhaps I use M3 fast M3 GP. This is about 2.4 R. Initially research looking interesting. Loki, that's interesting. Wait, I didn't know you were only going for 1 RR. That's interesting. Why is that? Because why we take the frame? Looks very nice for a drop. I buy right now. Up. Here I was going, oh, drop is good. Demonte, you think a buy right now. Why do you think a buy right now? What? I do think it has to retest the 50% level, but I don't know if it's going to happen right now. I need to watch the chart when it goes downward. Oh, but crap, that's hilarious. I do not. Sorry, Phoenix Cloak, what's up? You're welcome, my crab. I got you. This is psychology trading. No one can beat. What do you mean? Hurrah? Look at the chart. I called it. I'd be gearing up for trade. It's looking good for heading down after that false fair value gap. Wait, my crap. I don't know if you answered. What's a false fair value gap? Sorry, I've never heard of that before. Again, see, guys, you learn something new every single day. It's wild. Buy right now because someone has to. Wow, Demonte. I mean, that's one way of looking at it. Yeah, sure. Having a look at this again. I'm not taking this. 1, 2. I mean, it could be an Asia low is right here, but it has edged a few times with regards to being right close to a very significant low and then just kind of being like, never mind, and carrying on. Hey Nadia, what indicator concepts do I use? Not much. What you see is what I use. Yeah, so I use my GAN box, or whatever, GAN or fib. Same as long as you have the correct levels, and these are the levels I use. You know, you guys are more than welcome to pause. Oh no, you can't see it. Wait a second. There we go. More than welcome to pause and have a look-see. This is literally it. Nothing special. It's essentially market auction theory. That's it. Oh, you could argue this one as well, but let's see. This potentially actually could be a really good sell trade. Let's see what this does. I'm thinking this actually might be a sell, but this big wick over here maybe says not. It's usually a bad confluence to turn outward. Okay, wait, my crap, I missed that. When it just missed the fair value gap tick. Oh, interesting. So the false fair value gap basically a reverse confluence. Hey Phoenix Cloak, white trade on Friday. I have no complaints with regards to Fridays, to be fair. I know a lot of people hate it. Yeah, I don't so much. Well, apart from like 2 weeks ago Friday. False fair value gap. Hey Pushwinder, so I'm using top 1 futures. For now I'm on Project X. On Monday it will change to Tradeovate. So that's cool. Okay, give me 2 seconds. I can hear the pool guys have arrived, so before Perry notices and tries to eat them, let me lock. Give me 2 seconds. Oh. Okay. He did indeed try and eat them. No, I'm joking. Oh, damn, that would have been a loss. See, sometimes it's a win, sometimes it's not. It is what it is. Let's see what happens here. Okay. So remember I mentioned that 50% retracement. So where was the top there? I'm kind of forward testing this. So here would be the 50% of this that was not taken out anywhere for 50%. Okay, I'm not convinced, but let's see what it does. Happy Friday. It's the weekend. Hey, Daytrading, what the hell is it going? This is the trade you'll cover. Good grief. Just took a long. Good luck to all you. Cheers, Lukey. Wait, Lukey, I thought you had a bearish bias. I'm assuming not, right? Oh, good grief. Check the 1 hour for confirmation. Oh my gosh, would have just missed. That would have sucked. Okay, let's check the 1 hour. Apologize for that. Oh, good actual grief. This needs to retest quite a bit. That being said, this is around 50%. This could still work out. I'm waiting to see if this could still work out. How big is this range? Oh, I don't like how that looks. Moving on. There we go. Better. Curious about this range here. 127 points. Awesome. Am I going to take this trade? Probably not. But there's a bunch of... Sorry. Internal liquidity sitting around here as well. But Luke, I think Lukey's gone. Oh, bull structure on M30, got it. 27 from this. This is 27 points. Yeah. Let's say 28 points. Have you ever actually seen her in real life? No, Mudcrab, he has not. On our research to compare data easily, I prefer TP on support resistance. And then talk about average. Oh, interesting. Got it, Lukey. Okay, okay. Grav, do you choose something, you'll be the next richest person on this planet. Grav, so are you the richest person on this planet? Is that what I'm understanding? Right? No? Yeah, thought so. Grav, I have questions. If you are, show the love, my man. Come on. Or my person. Human being. Let's not assume, right? Ah, why? But why? Hey, Top Shots, what's up? I apologize. I don't know what that says. I'm sorry. But that's okay. Anyway, sorry. I was proper locked on earlier. Let's see what this now does. Is this the proper retest? Let's see. I only wishes to see bikini one. Welcome to access though. As visitors, Sandy. Oh, that's hilarious, Mudcrab. Good grief, you assuming someone don't know how. I'm so sorry. You're right, we can't assume anything nowadays, which is why I apologized. Please don't cancel me. Oh, gotta get cancelled. So sorry, I haven't even been going for a year. You guys can't cancel me yet. I identify as a bullish engulfing candle. Nice, Diamante. I mean, if you're gonna identify as anything, why not that? Oh goodness, it says something Russia. Aw, Top Shots, thank you. I appreciate that. Real, if I didn't have free brain, I'm sure I would be bad. Oh no. Mudcrab, nah, you good. Demonetize streaming is free. I identify as a wife's husband. What's up, girl? And she should make dinner tonight. Is she watching this right now, Mudcrab? Is that what's happening? Is she watching this and she's going, uh-huh. Uh-huh. I see, I see. Mm-hmm. I get it. To be fair, right? Hear me out. Hear me out. Fridays are my snack days. I'm so excited. I'm generally really good during the week. Like, I don't eat like snack food, if you will. Fridays. Like all I eat. Say screw it. Anyways. Well in that case, hey Kara, what's up? How you doing? Don't let him fool you into anything. I got this, Team Kara. Anyways. Mudcrab, wait, you still don't have the membership.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
I'm just messing with you. I just think it's really funny. No, wait. This one would be more accurate. Ah, sad. Oh, so sad. There we go. Oh, good grief. I'm gonna jump on my phone. Okay. Oh, I love you guys. You guys are so cool. Now I feel like I have to come and visit because we're besties. Hey, chick. Let's see if this retraces properly. However, Demonte. Wait, Demonte, you still there, right? Demonte. Sorry, I sometimes revert back to how I used to say it. Demonte, you still there? What was your indication that it was gonna go long? What did you see? That being said, let me check. Yeah, oh, it just took out there. The wick was around there. Tapped into that bit of an order block. Nope. Not even that. Huh. Interesting. It was so close to Asia low. Is it literally just kind of edging people? That would be so rude. I would be grumpy about that. So remember I mentioned that retrace to 50% level. So this would be the 50% of this full range. Like I said, it was what, 27 points? Let's call it 28. Yeah, 27.25. So close to 28 points, which thinking about that's actually not a lot, but for London it's not bad. What's your snack? Let's see, we cook veggie oil and a sesame seeds. What? Nadia, that kind of sounds good. And now she's saying my things you should. Ah, there we go. Anyone should cook. I haven't been in my computer. No, I'm joking. I'm completely messing with you, Mudcrab. I'm completely messing with you. Oh, hey, Boom, what's up? Why are you saying bruh? But she thinks you need a shower. It's pretty funny. No, I'm good. Kara, we got you. Good grief. I could give you like a stupid simple, sorry, this has now changed subjects completely. Hey! Okay. I'm gonna set this up out of curiosity, right? I'm most likely not gonna take this if we're being honest, but let's see. I keep testing this. Sometimes it works like a dream, but I guess it's the markets. You can never be 100%. And other times it just doesn't respect this at all. But let's say this trade here. Go right down to Asia low. If it was going to take out Asia low, I kind of predicted would want to go for New York low. Or at least this 548 level. So I'm using bob levels as well as tiny bit of confluences. That was that was actually the 5th thing with this trade. Sorry, there was actually 5 things with this trade. The 5th one was that it was so close to bob level, and it tends to hit bob level before it retraces slightly. That's why I didn't want to be greedy with regards to this level here. I thought it could have, I mean, you could see it did reject slightly off of that bob level, but did continue lower. Did reject a little bit off of the new daily opening gap, and then it did proceed lower, but yeah. So interesting enough, if I did follow the swing highs, I would have been taken out at around the same level. Oh my goodness, why are we yelling? Anticipated a buy. Okay, the rubber band effect. It dropped so much, I anticipated a buy. Plus I had a buy at 6:30. It got ran through. Oh damn. Oh damn. Did you expect it to basically bounce off of the new daily opening gap, right? I want to type. Hey Phoenix, look, what instrument am I trading? Hey Natty, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Just got up another 9 points. Hey, my crab, whoop whoop, that's amazing! I'm done for the day, except I might take this trade here on a little Nas. Go for it. OTT just for the vibes. I'm in for Nas. Are you going in for the short? I have a level 3. Oh no! Okay, okay. I'm sorry, look at this! Nice, okay. Rob, you think now buy? What did it reject off of? No, this might continue, this might take out, this might be headed for Asia low. Let's see if this would have been a win. Part of me wanted to, no. Let's see, did this have, I mean, it had the shelf there. Didn't so much have that. It had the internal liquidity. So it had 2. Wouldn't have loved that I went up there. I don't actually know if I would have taken this trade. This is just me showing the whole 50% retracement situation, because here, like I said, if we go from where it did not retrace 50% from the top of this range, this is the 50% of that range, and here it retraced into the 50% of it. Again, market auction theory. And now let's see if it continues lower. Now this range, I would be a little bit more interested in taking a short. We go in, sorry, this might hurt your eyes, I apologize. I apologize if it does. So this range here, sorry, I'm low-key forward testing at the set. You can never stop forward testing. You might learn more and more things about your strategy. The more you forward test, the more you learn. What is it that Rip Boy says? 500, where is Rip? Rip was here earlier. Rip? Yes, I'm sure it right in time. Moving 2 runners, I'm gonna win because David is power abusing me again. I'm so sorry. Or noise out your bias. Oh no, 100% Phoenix. No, I agree. I'm looking at this mud crab. If I led you astray, I'm so sorry. Have you mitigated your risk by half, by the way? Well, no, sorry. Let's not say that. You stick with your rules. For me, what I do is when it reaches around 1 to 1R, I mitigate my risk by half. I don't know how you've done it. Freedom. Maybe Discord, you need to see the setup right now. Oh, Mud Crab, please! Kara, I'm trusting you to get him to make a Discord. Okay, no pressure, no pressure. You've got this. 3 days. I'm already guaranteed full green. Hey, whoop, whoop, that's amazing. We've had to go. Oh, I missed it. Sorry. I missed that. Oh, I apologize. Okay, well, let's see. Like I said, this one theoretically would have been a better looking setup. Meh. With regards to the confluences. 1, 2, 3. This one would be a better setup for me than the full range, but I'm let's see what happens. Entry would be at the 50% level. Okay, never mind. I was about to say, did it just miss me by a tick? Potentially. I know that some people absolutely hate this strategy. Believe me, I know. I quite enjoy it. I do. Is there room for improvement? Always. I mean, maybe I can start making it that the stop loss... Oh no, but I already get some grief for why is the stop loss sometimes so tight. But, you know, maybe it can be that the stop loss is a bit tighter and then the R's are upped, you know. Hey, Demon, what's up? My grandma's... no, sorry, this is an eval account. We're getting there though. I've had this eval for quite a while. This is a good setup for your strat right now. Yeah, 100%. You know what I'm doing? Graph? Didn't you say bye? No? Sorry, I can't remember what you said. I apologize. Missed your tick. It really did. Demon, so I'm using an eval account. I'm on top 1 futures currently. Trading a 50k challenge. Yeah. Getting there. The last thing I touched was my stop loss. Rough. That Demonte, that was rough. What is your strategy? Oh, Demon, like I said, it's quite stupid simple, but I've been enjoying it. So it's essentially market auction theory mixed in with ICT and SMC confluences. I trade on the 1 minute time frame. I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. So I have a GAN box. This is what this level is there. So here was my winning trade from this morning. I can quickly show you. It's as stupid simple as you draw from the top of the range to the bottom of the range. 50%, again, market auction theory. 50% is entry. I was obviously looking for sells here. Had to have 3 confluences. So here, there we go. Now the VWAP is in the correct position. You can see here I had VWAP. I had what I call a shelf. I had a volume imbalance. Fair value gap, and the fifth one, which is a little bit a bit more skeptical about. No, let's not say that. My fifth one is this gray level. Now the pool here, in case you missed it. Okay. Anyways. The fifth one would be that I suspected it to go down to the bob level, which is right here. And as you can see, the full TP would have been here. I left 2 runners. Oh my goodness. Sorry, my dog's going crazy. I left 2 runners. And yeah. So for me, anything with 3 confluences is an A+ setup. I mean, if it has 5, that's like... Okay. Okay, give me. Okay, he's calmed down. Oh no. Looking here, this does not look good. And would have potentially hit my stop. Let's see. Like I said, you also have to know the correct market conditions for it. This momentum was great. The momentum with the retracements was amazing. This now is looking like some sad price action, and that's fine. Sorry, Demon, is it better now? Oh, but I mean, Mudcraft. Gara, you're amazing. What 3 compliments do you typically look for? Sorry, is it still lagging? Is it a little bit better? I apologize. On the 1st of Feb, Wi-Fi is being upgraded, so it shouldn't do this anymore. I really apologize. Nikki, did you pay the duck this week? Good. Ah, are you Wi-Fi connection? That's so rough. Anyways, hey. Okay. Give me a second. A bit laggy, sorry. It's okay, you're doing such a good job. He's now gotten all shy. Nah, okay, he left. Nah, ignore that. Maybe we get back into VWAP, then I expect to build till top. Oh, thank you, bye. These are our last moments. Wait, what do you mean these are our last moments? Demonte, what do you mean these are our last moments? That sounds terrifying. What do you mean? You make me nervous. What's up? Luki, I'm starting to agree that this is turning bullish. But it hit my stop loss. Let's see what it does. Ipsies. Sorry, Mudcrab. I apologize if I led you astray. Something that'll reshape the entire universe. I'm waiting. I'm just gonna talk over him because he's not stopping. What's up? What's happening? What's happening? Mudcrab, are you still in this, by the way? Coming back. Love you, Kara. Mad love. You're awesome. Okay, there we go. Better? Kind of. Why is it having a moment? Maybe, okay, good grief, let's see. Oh, cheers, Michelle! Injection. You had multiple times. Perhaps I am wrong. You know, if I had an accurate VWAP, you would probably be right. What did you find? What did you find? I'm nervous. What did you find? Wait. Demonte, finish your sentence. I want to know what's happening. Instead, oh, nice. Okay, there we go, Mudcrab. Watch it now go and actually, sorry, I would laugh so much. That's really bad. But imagine it does actually go all the way back down now. That's not funny. That's not funny. When did you stop blowing kisses? I still blow kisses to the stream at the end. Yeah, this is outside of UApp. NQ is already inside. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Lukey. Sorry. Now go for a sell. Yep. Since money started coming in, you've been moving different. Oh no, Demonte. I always blow kisses at the end. That sounds very bad, but you know what I mean. At the end, I say love you guys, bye, and I blow a kiss. Maybe you haven't been watching till the end anymore, Demonte. Maybe the truth is coming out. Do I trade funded or live? Hey, Turkabee, what's up? I'm still on an eval, so I've been trading nearly a year now. Sorry, this is not funny. It's a little bit funny, but it's not funny. It's okay. Moving on. Also still in this. Trust your gut, got it. So, Monte, hopefully also when the Wi-Fi decides that it's good, it'll calm down. I don't do the ending anymore because I've realized the second I tend to say bye, obviously everyone like drops off and then the algorithm has a freak out. Hey, hello, what's up? Lucky, how you been? What's funny and not funny? It's because he bought and I said I'll laugh if it starts to go down and it hits this TP, and as I said that, it started to go down pretty properly. Yeah. Let's see. Delete that one now. But to be fair, this now looks like it's on the 1 minute, obviously. Looks like it's bear flagging. Again, I cannot reiterate this enough. I'm really bad at telling like a bear nibble flag, so yeah, don't quote me on that. It's about to drop it in. Let's see. Getting funded with small position sizes is hard. Yes, Lukey, it is. Where is the 20 patterns? Getting funded with small. So, good grief. But Luke, no, you're not. You are funded. You're not funded. I'm not trying to take shots, but did you say you've been trading for a year and haven't? Hey, David. Nearly been trading for a year, but yes, that is correct. It took me quite a while to find a strategy I liked. So, if I'm being honest, I was kind of. Oh my god! Give me a second. Okay, they're gone. Good grief. Wait, going back to David. There we go. David, out of curiosity, how long did it take for you to pass your first eval? I think, so to be fair, David, I'm pretty much treating this eval like it's my own money. I think maybe that's the good and bad thing. I want to say it's good practice for a funded. I'm talking rubbish, but you know, I'm practicing as if it was my own money, because I know a lot of people that have passed evals, they're just like, if it blows, it blows, and you go for it, go for it. I also was really bad with my sizing. Like I would downsize a lot of positions, I would downsize winners and then put correct amount of contracts for the losers, but then the next one that was a winner I would downsize again. So yeah, it's majority to do with the psychology.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hey, hi, life. What's up? How you doing? Treat funded like real money, treat an eval like an eval. I know, but for me, it's not good practice to treat it all quote unquote equal. No? I'm funded, yes, full porting channel is one micro, one's funded. Damn! Sure, 1 hour. Oh, sure, 1 hour. Sure, let's have a look at the 1 hour. Oh, yucky. I apologize. Let's do that. Here's the 1 hour. 577 is a goodie. Let's see if it hits it. I mean, there's quite a bit of support around this level, but yeah. Let's see, here's the 1 hour. Hope it helps. Wasted time this in. This is better? Take a sun march 19 times. Anyways. Just woke up in the middle of the day. I need to manage the sleeping schedule. Hi, life. Damn, what happened? Yeah, stay for a sec. Got it. You say when. Auto blocks with a lot of overbuying. True. I need 632. What? You need 632. I thought you were in a cell. Mr. says creep. Yeah, it shows the difference between what girls and guys think. Hey, Kara. Anyways, moving on. So wait, you need 632. I legit thought that you were in a cell. Let's do this. Okay. Now, let's put this back up. That's hit it. It's headed there. Slowly but surely. This could start going back up now, but cool to know, I guess, that this would have been potentially correct. I still think it might want to come take out Asia low before retracing back up. My opinion is buy 10 accounts, spend $200, press 1 trade to 4 portals, 2 wins a row to get funded. No, I get it. I get it. I get it. I do. But consistency is also good. It does teach you what girls think. Oh, my crap, that's hilarious. You know, that's valid. I like that thinking. I do like that thinking. Okay. I'm waiting to see where this goes. Let me actually check what my ping is looking like. Okay. Oh, yeah, no, it's not great. It's not as bad as it's been, but it's not great. Oh, okay, there we go. It's calming down slightly. Okay, it's calming down. I don't know why it was having a mini moment, but it's calming down. Go mad crab, use water gun. Oh, Demonte! That's actually hilarious. Oh my gosh, I kind of want to make something for that. Everyone learns at different rates. I've only been trading for 6 months and I'm waiting another month to turn 18 so I can buy funded. So far I'm profitable on paper trading. Aww! You're very sweet, thank you. Yeah! I know that everyone goes at their own rates. And I think it's part of the journey, right? I think the one thing about trading is that it really makes you, whether you want to or not, learn things about yourself. You know, things that you need to overcome, not just in trading, but in your real life as well. Like, stop overthinking with me. Stop looking at what could go wrong and start looking at just almost the facts, right? And it's pretty accurate with what happens to me. It's what I do on the market sometimes. I overthink it completely. I talk myself out of winning trades and then say screw it and make bad decisions. I think that's pretty accurate. It's why trading does take different timelines, if you will, for different people. Oh, you need 532. Oh, okay, so right near New York Low. Yeah, right by New York Low. I think that's pretty possible. There we go. It might drop properly. Let's see. I need My plan is to improve my stacks. No trading, just research. Once I'm back, I gather as many funded as I can and copy trade 1 micro each. Oh damn, Lukey, that's quite cool. Okay, so here we go. There's Asia Low. So that would have been a win. I mean, a little bit of a terrifying win, don't get me wrong, but a win. Cool. 25500. No way. You just like your like rounded off numbers, don't you? You are nice at heart. That's oh, thank you, Karab. I appreciate that. Yes, New York low, and I have a runner at 512. Have you taken partials yet, Mudcrab, or not really? I did tell you to gear up for sell. You did. You did. Well, we did check that out. We did agree. A lot of people thought this was time to buy. Like you said, good to stick with what you see sometimes, hey? Very interesting. No partials. Oh, you don't take partials? Oh, that's okay, Lukey, right? You stuck with your rules, correct? You stuck with your rules. That's all that matters. Yeah, my bad. Papacito, what's up? How's it going? I have to run until she... What? That didn't even make sense. Okay, let's see. Perry's sulking because I didn't shout at him. He thinks I shouted at him. He's sulking, he's not sitting here. This is how we don't do partials. You guys sound like so much fun. Please come visit. Please come visit. Please come visit. Oh my gosh, we'll have so much fun. I mean, I do just... Full margin? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey Mac, what's up? Yeah, Mac, I can't complain. I took this like, what, 15 minutes into London Open, had a nice runner to the 618 level. Then I was kind of forward testing the 50% retracement. Check at that. Quite nice, right? And yeah, as you can see, it would have hit TP. I didn't take it because I didn't like the amount of confluences that were involved with this one. So I didn't take it. It is what it is. Looking here, meh. And it's fine. It's nice to know that I can still forward test and get confirmations that actually this worked quite well. So essentially taking some internal liquidity is also a good sign that this is a giddy. Little bit filtering around here. Let's see if it continues lower to the New York low. So we've got 532. Let's make levels here. We've got 532 for Mud Crab and 550 for Devante, right? Nope, that's not the right place. 550. Oh, I have hiccups. I'm so sorry. What brands of... Oh, your brand was just too innocent. Thank you. I only trade with multiple take profits. Listen to the crab. You would be on your way to that yearly profit. I'm sorry. Damn, my bad. Okay, here we go. Wait, let me first do that. And now the daily. Do you think I want to just mitigate this imbalance? Oh no. Oh, there's a big imbalance there. Bless me, sorry. I got 532 and 512 right now, but got in at the top. So where my cell signal was. No, I'm joking. Please don't take me seriously when I say that. I don't give signals. That was very like arrogant of me. I'm so sorry. Set chart. Okay. Damn, this is just going. You're right, I should just listen to myself sometimes, hey?
That's what she said.
That was pretty good. Okay, that was pretty good. 400 grade in my favor. Damn! You mean when I gave you the... Oh, no. I drew this out and we're like, It was a team effort. Give me that. Team effort here. On that trade. It's been quite a journey on that before. Yeah, a little bit, Mac. Thank you. Huge whoop whoop coming in hot. Let's see. Now.
Why are you doing this? Why are you
nice
even
imbalance
thinking this way?
Don't know if it's gonna retest high enough for that. A little imbalance. Nah, it's still going. But retests here, I could potentially be keen on taking another trade here. Got my shelf. If I don't, nope, it's just going. It's just going. That's valid. But once I get in short, it's gonna go up. No, Devontae, don't do that. Team effort. Go with that. Wow. 25500. Okay, just tapped into Bob level. Let's see if it rejects off of that. Okay. It's targeting another order block that's just sitting there. Ooh! Okay, that makes sense. To be interested, gold is an insta buy right now. Oh! See, part of my little squirrel brain kind of wants to just go into gold and then just click market buy for just one contract and then just leave. But that's cheeky and that's not sticking with any rules at all. So I will not do that, right? Consistency is key. Let's not start messing around and causing absolute rubbish. Here we go. This might be another one. Oh, man, today's actually quite a good day. That being said, this would not have worked out in my favor. This would have literally tagged me out before continuation back down. That would have sucked. That would have sucked solidly. Let's see if it rebounds. That's not right. Retests. That's the one. Gold is instantly a cheat right now. It sounds like it. Hey, Alamin, what's up? Oh man, I just became online and London's over. No, it's not high life. You've got this. You've got this. You've got this. So you haven't gotten trade in? Why? You can do it. You can do it. I think. Just mark it in on gold, apparently. Just buy on gold and you're good to go. I'm joking. That definitely not financial advice. You do what you gotta do. You stick with your rules. You stick with your discipline. We go from there. Okay. You're killing it, regardless of whether or not you take my trades or not. I mean, you miss an A+. Wow. Listen here. To be fair, like I said, to be fair, it's right on the New York low. If it retests here, it actually would be quite nice to get this entry. Oh, I don't think it's going to though. No. Poo-poo caca. Yes, I just said poo-poo caca. Okay, let's not judge here. But this looks oh so good. if it does. I don't know if it will though. Nah, this is just gonna go down, down, down. Da, 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 da. I got songs stuck in my head. At least it's not Pump Up the Jam like yesterday, thanks to Geordie. Hey Sherry, Alex Thomas, what's up? This is the Nasdaq futures. How's it going? It's dropping to New York low. Yes, it is. Today, PMI New. Wait, what? There's PMI today? Oh, damn, there's PMI today. Damn. Me again, where my line is. Oh, Mud Crab at 3532. Right there. This blue line right there. Right by where this TP would be if it retraces. $25 points. I'm gonna get this. 1, 2, 3. Definitely do have 3. Oh, this is a very big leap up though. This might want to hit the top of 4. Do you see I start to overthink things? Add the 512. I can. Where's the 512? 512, 512. There's the 512 for you. Actually, this is looking better. If it goes slowly up, we want slow up, quick down. And I bet you are, honestly. Hey LP, what's up? How's it going? Yeah, literally within the first 15 minutes. It was a goodie. I missed this trade, however, but it's fine. Looking potentially at this one, but I also don't want to be greedy now. So it's a little bit of a, you know, do you keep hands off, maybe wait for a New York session, or do we just say screw it, it's Friday? No, that's bad. If that's the mindset, that's not good. Oh, you're welcome. Nadia, how long have I been trading? Nearly a year. April will be a year. Yeah. April will be a year. So literally this time last year, I didn't even know that these were called candles. I knew nothing about anything. I didn't know these were called candles. I used to think that you could only earn money if it was going up. You know, essentially like investing. I used to just think that was a thing. I didn't know you could still earn if it was dropping. I didn't know you got different types of trading styles. I didn't know how many different damn strategies there were. I also didn't know how difficult this was. Just with regards to, you always learn things. There's so much detail and in-depth knowledge that goes into this. I thought it was as stupid simple as just like throwing money in and leaving it, you know, low-key like investing. But even investing isn't that simple. You need to do a lot of research. You need to know when to maybe get into it. You know, it's quite, yeah. Hey Fishcat Zombie, happy Friday. How's it going? What site is this? I'm currently using Top 1 Futures. Prop firm. I absolutely love that. Anything life-changing happened since starting. Listen, I've questioned my life choices pretty often, especially, I mean, there's been times while I was still trying to find a strategy that worked for me, where I was like blowing through eval accounts and it was just a disaster. It was not fun. It was not a good time at all. Didn't even understand a short. No, honestly, they're just called John Wick's, not candles. My bad, Mudcrab. Sherry, let's have a look at the 15-minute. I'm just going English, lost it, cool. Let's have a look. I'm just gonna block all of that. Let's check the 15-minute. Okay, it could retrace slightly back into this fair value gap that it's created here on the 15-minute before potentially dropping this level 3.5. Again, it's that New York low, hey? Is quite nice. There is this order block, and like I said, this is a little bit of a support level, you can see by the wicks. So this might want to retest a little bit higher. Maybe tap into that order block before going back down. This, I still believe it wants to come. This 446 level. I still believe it wants to come and tap into this inverse fair value gap here. Stop mitigating some of this, well, sorting out this imbalance, if you will. I mean, this is hectic, especially on the 15-minute. Again, it's just what I suspect. Please don't take my word for it. I'm still new, I'm still figuring things out, but I suspect that this will eventually want to come and sort out this imbalance.
That's what she said.
Nice. Just nice. But remember that slow up? This is starting to look quite nice for a sell. Let's read the previous session low on ES. Oh, did it? Oh, damn. Okay. Probably skim that block. Oh, thanks, Mudcrab. I appreciate that. Thank you. Took it. Hey, Jabez, you took a nice long from 46 to 64. What? From 46 to 64. Oh, nice! Nice! Damn, you take like quite small... But I mean, it works, right? How would you describe how NQ moves or trades? Its character's a symbol and... Damn, Mac, that's a good question. Okay. How would you describe how NQ moves or trades? It's a character and symbol and its nuances. So... Oh. I'm gonna have to think about that. That's a flipping good question. What do you guys think? Anyone have some thoughts on that? I would say it's probably why I like NQ and why I like this. It really does have... Okay, again, depending on the day, depending on the price action, NQ can sometimes be a proper diva. But on the days where the price action is just looking like almost picture perfect, it's beautiful, quick movements with slow retracements back to around the 50% level, which is basically what this trading strategy is based off of, right? So you can see this faster movement down, it's going slowly back up. There's a lot more to it, but for now that's what I've got, and it really likes to go back and fix the imbalances. So again, obviously, if it's a quick move down, it's created an imbalance, so it goes back up to sort out the imbalance before continuation back down. Again, not always. It's never guaranteed that it's going to do that. I mean, oh my gosh, there's been some days where I sit there and I go, I have no clue what it's going to do today. But days like this, I mean, yeah, I tend to thoroughly enjoy it. 40 ticks. Chart wiggles. Card said you're a diva. Oh, thank you. I will take that any day. 23 trades. All good. Barav, you've taken 23 trades? Yeah, ask him, Kara. Ask him. I think this will take that fair value gap. Maybe it will come up from the demand orb, which is currently, because the range is 23rd lowest. Alright. Minis. We had a break there. Okay, sure. So you think this might, ooh, this might potentially start going long, right? Is that what you're thinking? Mac, how about the bad days? Oh no, the bad days are just, I call them sad. Because they do like seek and destroy? Search and destroy? Seek and destroy. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for... Is it the Ray? Is it this one? I feel like I'm butchering this. It might be this one. It is seek and destroy. So I call it sad days, where it just goes, nope, that's definitely not the right one. Could it be? Nope, not the right one. Wrong one. Sorry. Where is it? Where is it? I want to specifically draw something, but now I've not found the correct way. I don't want that. I don't want that. And doesn't matter. Okay. Oh, wait. Shoot, I lost it. Where did it go? Nope, I missed it. Oh no. I'm causing chaos. I'm causing chaos. I'm so sorry. I was specifically looking for something and now I lost it completely. Oh no. Oh no. Do you see what's happening? My brain's now malfunctioning. No? Where is it? Excuse me. Here we go. I can just use
That's
this.
what she said.
Oh my gosh. I got hit with a frying pan. That's hilarious. Oh, Kara. No worry, we are not witnesses. Hey Melvin, I'm from South Africa. What's up? How's it going? My view is long. Okay, so Sherry, you think this is gonna be long. Okay, sorry. The sad. That's what I was going with. Sad, seek and destroy days, if you will. Shoot. Is where it goes up, down, takes out liquidity, goes back up, takes out more liquidity, goes back down, takes more liquidity. So essentially, if you're going for any time it takes out liquidity, you just go the opposite direction. That's fantastic for those days, but for my trading strategy, this sucks. This absolutely sucks. Can't stress that enough. Go away. There we go. So again, I call it sad price action because it's like seek and destroy. Yes, seek and destroy, and it's sad, and sad backwards is dust, and dust not good. I'm aware that's very lame, but I'm very lame, so it's fine. Hey Sam, what is my concept? My concept, it's basically just market auction theory mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. Seek and destroy by the ADHD kicking in. I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Did you see it kicked in solidly? I apologize, Mac, that's on me. My bad. Apparently I have to book flights. Let me know when. Ah, there we go. Well, Mudcrab, like I said, you gotta get a Discord, Kara. Kara, you can get a Discord too. We can all chat. Anyways. Hey, am I a scalper? Yes. Jess from South Africa? I am from South Africa. What's up? Proudly South African here. Wow, it does that. It's kind of traumatizing. No, Mac, it's awful. For me, I think those are the worst days, and it's done that before. And then you kind of get excited because I'm gonna try and do this to myself again. Okay. You kind of get excited because it might be doing this seek and destroy thing, and then all of a sudden it goes proper, and you think, oh, you know, it's gonna start doing its retrace. So I'm drawing terribly. It does not do that then. It then essentially sometimes goes down solidly and then comes back up again. It's almost like it just is a bit of a fake out to manipulate people. It's really rude. But yes, for me, those are the worst days on the Nasdaq. I hate them. Those are basically just no trade days for me. Don't get me wrong, I'll sit and I'll watch the chart and wait because potentially... I'm so sorry, I'm drawing a lot. The ADHD is indeed kicking in. So remember I said some days it might then break below and then could potentially go back up. But if I get a confirmation that it is indeed now going back to normal, or I guess the optimal price action for my strategy, then I can still get a trade in. I mean, a little bit like this, not quite, because obviously this didn't take out too much internal liquidity, but you can see this went higher than I would have liked it. This one would have actually tagged me out of my trade if I had it drawn. So I'm going to leave that one up. But if I had it drawn here to here, do you see how it would have wicked me out before going down to take profit? That would have hurt my feelings, but it's okay. She said no. Has it ever done that for weeks? Ooh, not so much weeks, but when was it? Was it last week? No, yes. I've had it where it's done it for like two or 3 days in a row. And like I said, that really sucked. And you know, maybe then it would have some decent movement when I wasn't on the charts, which means I missed the movement. You know, it is what it is. Maybe it's just a retracement, yeah. So this is, like I said, potentially this would have been pretty cool. But see, this had my confluences for me. This is quite a nice A+ setup. Like so. Like I said, I like the slow up that's happening right now. And it has my 3 confluences. However, that being said, this could be at a point where it's either going to shoot all the way back up or go back down. Hey Jack Schizo, I trade both London and New York sessions. Yes, I'm here for... Yes, I just did a peace sign, don't judge me. Nadia, I always wondered why Wall Street guys tend to be... Why is that, Nadia? What did I say something? I feel like I should something. What up? Thank you. Your answer's quite... Oh, Mac. Okay, I'm glad. Because sometimes, well, as you know, I feel like I'm just rambling and I'm hoping it makes sense. Especially if you're like new and you've hopped on. I want it to make sense for everyone, not just people that have been trading for ages. Do I trade ES? I don't, Melvin. But ES is right here, and NQ and ES tend to go hand in hand. It's why I have it on the other side. ES tends to drive NQ. I'm on the back test for a couple of weeks. Oh, interesting, Mac. Oh, okay. Ooh, have I converted you to be NQ? I love it. Ah, yeah. There we go. Page 34. What? It is, Kara. It is. Anyways. Okay, good. I'm glad, because oh my goodness. Kara, it is. Don't worry. Okay. Oh, like I said, this actually looks pretty decent. But okay, I'm gonna leave this up. Mudcrab, I got your levels. Demonte, I've got your levels as well. Let's see if this eventually comes to hit. However, you like Meryl Streep? I do. Do I like Meryl Streep? Meryl Streep? Oh my gosh. Anyways. I like NQ overnight, but ES is a cleaner during New York session. Oh, Melvin, I agree with you on that one. ES tends to be a little bit more respectful, if you will. It's why I say NQ can be a little bit of a diva. ES tends to respect the rules, if you will, a little bit better. I'm not married, or Kara, sorry, I'm assuming it's Kara on, right? Hey Dallas, what's up? Oh, sorry, Lucky, don't worry. Hey, whoop whoop! Mudcrab, shout out, well done. Okay, on that note, yeah, okay, I'm gonna leave this up. Let's see if this is a hit or miss. Mudcrab, Kara, get Discord. Okay, just saying, no pressure, but get Discord. Okay, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. We're in the green. I want to see if this trade works as well. I will be back for the New York session. I think you guys will be asleep, boo, but it's okay. I'll be back for New York session. I'm gonna call it there for today. New York, let's do this. It's Friday, people. But otherwise, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. You guys have been amazing. It's been a great green week so far. I love you guys.